What are common military terms for places and equipment? Imagine walking into a military base and hearing a whole new language. It's like a code that keeps everyone on the same page. That's where understanding common military terms for places and equipment comes in handy. It's not just slang, it's a way to communicate quickly and clearly in the field. Let's start with places. The main location where soldiers live, work, and train is called a base or installation. These can be large permanent facilities or smaller forward operating bases, often called FOBs. A FOB is usually a temporary set-up close to the action. Soldiers often refer to their living quarters as a hooch, which can be a tent or a makeshift shelter. When talking about where they sleep, they might say quarters, which means they're assigned living space or barracks. The dining area is known as the dining facility or DFAC, where troops grab their meals. If someone mentions the sandbox, they're talking about desert areas of operation, common in Middle Eastern deployments. When bases are shared by different branches, they call it a joint base. The main defensive wall of a fortification is called a rampart. A small, tactical base near the front lines is called a combat outpost or COP. Now let's look at equipment. When a soldier is fully geared up, they're in full battle rattle, which includes body armor, helmet, weapon, and gear. The small shovel soldiers carry is called an entrenching tool or e-tool, used for digging defensive positions or latrines. A sleeping bag is often called a fart sack, especially among Marines and soldiers. A helicopter is simply called a bird. When a fighter jet is in the air providing support, it's called a fast mover. Body armor uses ceramic plates called small arms protective inserts or SAPI to stop bullets. Soldiers carry their gear in a rucksack or ruck, which is a military backpack. The mop used in Navy ships is called a swab. When cleaning or maintaining a weapon, soldiers perform a field strip, which means disassembling the firearm. In combat zones, IEDs or improvised explosive devices are homemade bombs that pose a serious threat. Emergency food supplies are called iron rations, carried for quick energy when needed. Knowing these terms helps soldiers communicate fast and stay safe. For example, if someone says to gear up in full battle rattle, everyone knows it's time to put on all protective gear immediately. If you hear inside the wire, it means inside the base security perimeter. Outside the wire indicates being in potentially hostile territory outside the base. Using slang like hooch for living quarters keeps things informal but clear among troops. These words make operations smoother and help build camaraderie. So, next time you hear these terms, you'll understand exactly what's happening and how soldiers stay prepared in their daily routines.